Okay, so today I told you we will do tense. Okay, now listen here, girls. Tense we will do, that is the revision of tense. Now first thing, tell me, what is tense? Yes, it tells time. Tense means time. And what time? The time past, present, yes, past, present, future. This three set of time is told by what we study in grammar, that is tense. The time of the past, the time of present, and the time of future. Now, one more thing you should know, this three set together divides first, that is simple past or simple present or simple future. Then
Perfect.
Continuous. Perfect. Yes. Perfect. Continuous. Okay. So this is the first thing what you should know. That is tense divided into three, telling the time of past, present and future. Again this three divides into further four. That is simple. Indefinite also you can call it. Otherwise simple tense, then continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. This much clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now we will move on set wise. Okay, past, present and future. And then the rules of it. How to follow it, that we will see. You have written this?
Yes.
Write it down. So first we will move on with past tense. Yes. First we will move on with past tense. Past tense first, that is simple past. Now in simple past, if a simple example I take of simple past sentence, that is he ate chips. He ate chips. Simple past. Okay. Now what all coming here? Now what all set is coming here? This is the subject he plus verb. Verb which form? This is third form.
First.
Second form. Verb second form plus object. In simple past, subject comes, verb second form comes and the object. Clear? That is in first, that is simple past. Now, second is past continuous. Past continuous. Here the same, if you change, what it will be? He was eating chips. He was eating chips. Now here what all there? Subject plus was, or you can also use verb. Okay? Plus verb, first form plus ing plus object. Did you understand? In first set there was only subject, verb second form plus object. In continuous, subject plus was or were. If here instead of he or she there would be they, then what would be here? Were. They were. Plural form. They were. Now was or were you can use plus. Now this is what? Eat is verb first form. So verb first form plus ing. This was verb second form. Okay. First form plus ing plus object. It means subject object remains the same in all. Only the middle part, the verb and all get changes. This much clear?
Yes.
Now third is past perfect. Continuously, past perfect. Now past perfect, the same sentence if you change, what it will be?
He
He had. He Now, one thing you have to remember, in past perfect, only had is there. Whether it is he, she, they, we, I, you, whatever it will be, in past perfect you have to only use had. It will, you can be clear. While in present we have different thing. But in past you can understand very clearly in past perfect, in all the sense. In past perfect form when you are speaking, you have to only use had with all the form. He, she, it, they, we, you, I, everything. You have to use had. Okay? And then which verb? Third form. Eaten. Okay? Third form of verb you have to use. Now fourth is past perfect continuous. Now same example.
He had been eating chips.
Eating chips. He had been eating chips. Clear? Now here what are there? Subject plus had been plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Clear? So here again, now you can follow one thing, subject and object are same in all. Same in all. Whether you move with past, present, future, subject, object remains same. Changes occurs in the middle part only, where you are using verb. Okay. Now here you with subject object you use verb second form. In simple past. In past continuous you have used was or were plus first form plus ing. Okay. In third past perfect you use had, only had. No had been, only had. Plus again verb third form. Now in the fourth one past perfect continuous had been plus same thing verb first form plus ing plus object. Clear? So this part and this part almost same, eating. Here it was or were, here it will be had been. Now you have to set this two together, you can set. When in past perfect we are using had, in past perfect continuous we will had been. Now here in simple past we use verb second form ate. In past continuous we will use verb first form plus ing and was. Did you understand?
Yes.
So past tense is clear now?
Yes.
Past tense? Okay. Now write it down.